Hello there. In this time, we will watch the section of Office. Okay, it's this one. You go on the menu, and here you have it, Office. In the Office, you basically have here a calendar. You choose a day. Okay, you can change. If you click here, you go to the previous year, or the next year, or the next month, or the previous month. Okay, and of course in green it's days with some activity, and if there is no activity it's blank, so that we don't let you click on top of that day because it would be pointless. Okay, so let's go to one day. I go, for example, to the 12th of November, and then I get the first view I get, it's the screenshots of who? Of this worker. Okay, now at the bottom I have on the left what I want to see. This is what I want to see. If I do scroll with the mouse, I get all the options, and on the right I have from who, or from which worker I want to see this data. So if I change, okay, it will be the data displayed will change. And if I change what I want to see, I don't want to see screenshots, I want to see activity registries, then it will change. Okay, this section is very long, so I will divide it in several videos because there is a lot of data here, but in this first one I will make a quick overview. Of course, all of this data, you need the worker to have the Word2Cloud desktop or Word2Cloud stuff enabled in order for a few hours in order to see something. Otherwise you will just see no data everywhere. Okay, let's go for the first one, screenshots. In here you have the screenshots, and each one of these cards, it's a registry. Registries, depending if you have configured them between 10 or 20 minutes, you have here, for example, this registry started at 14:59 and ended at 15:09. Here you have the total amount of seconds, and on the right of this line, of this slash, you have the total seconds that this computer was in suspension or sleep mode of this registry. Okay, for example, here this computer was 2 seconds on sleep mode. You see the number 2, and 599 seconds was normal. Okay, what else? The colors. Of course, red indicates low activity compared to, we can see the activity here. You see this line. I will change and I will select a day with more activity, because this one is, all of them are red, or maybe a different person. Yeah, here you see green, it's more activity. You see the line here. It's this is according to Word2Cloud index, which is our formula that is a bit long to explain, but basically compares this worker to the average in keyboard activity, mouse move, and mouse clicks, compared to the average of our database. Okay, blue indicates more or less along the average, green is good, and yellow it's a bit bad, and red it's quite bad. Okay, it's like a traffic light basically. You will find some strange icons. Well, these icons, some of them are self-explanatory. If you have any doubts, just put your mouse on top, or if you are using a phone, tap for a few seconds and you will see this message which indicates you what is each of these icons. This, for example, indicates that the worker clicked play, and here clicked pause. Okay, and then you will find some other icons, like for example this eye, which tells you that it was not possible to get the screenshot for some reason. Maybe the API was occupied or whatever. Basically, if you see a strange icon, put on top and it will tell you it will give you information of what happened. Okay, if you click on top of a screenshot, you will go to the detail, but I will not go. If you want more information of this section, click on the question mark and I will make a special of this section. Okay, and for this video I think we are over because it's getting too long, and see you later in the next video.